Today in class, if you missed our class today, we talked about lab equipment and measurement and actually started a lab to use some of the tools that we'll be using this year. If you look in your lab notebook, not the note notebook, but the lab notebook on page 16, we actually put in this page earlier, looking at different types of laboratory equipment. This is just here for your reference, and in case you're not sure, things like an Erlenmeyer flask, this one down here, they're shaped a little bit different, but oftentimes they're used for the same thing. They're used to measure, but they do have different names for the different shapes. So we talked about that. On page 17, and you may need to pause the video to fill this in, but we talked about the different tools that we use to measure temperature or length or volume, which is how much liquid there is there. Big thing to remember is that we always use the metric system in our class. And if you're not familiar with those metric units, okay, those are listed, so make sure to write those down. We also did a lab, which if you were absent today, I'll excuse you from that activity, but that was the other big thing that we did today. So if you have any questions on this, you can go ahead and fill it in, and then when we get back, just ask me, and I'll be happy to help. Hope you have a good day.